Hi everyone, Sat here. So the first review video I did was really popular. Thanks for the support and thanks for the comments and for letting me know if things weren't working out. I appreciate that. That helped out, it helped me out, and it helped. I think it helped the community out too. So this is the second review one, and I think this is just as good as the first one. In my eyes, this is the best cardboard VR YouTube channel there is, full stop, end of story. So this is in your face gaming channel, and you're seeing Ryan, who is the owner of the organization. He's playing a VR game, and it's actually my VR game, my cardboard VR game that I made like a year ago, and it was my first ever cardboard VR game, and I made it in like 2 weeks. And I made it really quickly. Basically because I was following his tutorials, and I had tried to buy some tutorials online on sites like Udemy and stuff, and honestly none of them were as good as his ones, and they're free as well. So I can't say better than that. And I want to just show you some of the videos that he's got. His channel's been going on for way longer than mine, and it's brilliant. You know, cardboard, Gear VR. There's also some great assets that he sells as well, and for a fair price, really, and he always gets back if there's anything that you get stuck on. He's also got some 1 or 2 free assets as well. He does, but his tutorials for cardboard are hands down the best there are, free or paid or anything. And trust me, when I started off, I was looking like crazy for cardboard stuff, and his were easily the best. So he's actually doing a few other things outside of cardboard. So you know, even if you're not just doing cardboard stuff, you should definitely take a look at his videos and stuff. So yeah, I think I wanted to let you know about his stuff, because not only is he really good when it comes to tutorials and stuff, he's actually got a really inspirational path as well. At one point, he was homeless, and he started he didn't give up on his dream of being a developer. And I think that if you've been coding for a while now, you know it can be really tough, and it can be a little bit depressing, a little bit lonely at times. So it's always good to be listening to someone who's maybe gone, I don't know what your experiences are, but he's definitely gone through more hardship than me. So that's really inspiring to see someone who's gone through more tougher times than me, and is doing what I also would like to do on a larger scale than I'm doing it now, and he's doing it a lot better. So he's not just making video tutorials, he's also making professional games as well. You can see he does a few videos on this. So he's doing something here, mobile VR adventure game, which looks really cool. And you can even sign up for the beta test as well. I don't know if that's still open yet, but you know, maybe you should check the channel out and find out. So look, I hope you like these tutorials, these reviews. The first one, like I said, was popular. Definitely subscribe to his one. I am subscribed, and I watch pretty much all the ones that I can that are relevant to what I'm doing anyway. So I would strongly recommend you check it out, subscribe, and follow his stuff, and let me know if there's anything you'd like me to review as well. If there's something that you found off of the net and you think I should check out too, and I'll do that. Alright everyone, and also I should just add in, neither this video or the previous video were paid. There's no affiliation here or anything. I'm just doing this because I genuinely think they're brilliant, and you should also check them out as well. If that does change, I'll let you know as well. I'll obviously be transparent in that. But yeah, this is the best stuff out there. His paid stuff and his free stuff. Grab them. They will really help accelerate your progress. Alright, on that note, I will see you in the next video.